Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.4% against the dollar. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
European shares were higher, with healthcare and bank stocks in the lead as investors awaited key US inflation data later this week for fresh clues on the Federal Reserve's monetary policy path. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 index rose 0.4%. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was recently trading at around $27,350 as investors continued to mull over a surge in interest in the Pepe meme coin and Binance congestion issues that forced the exchange giant to temporarily suspend Bitcoin withdrawals over the weekend. Advanced Micro Devices shares climbed almost 5% as investors continued to suss out sentiment around the chip maker following its recent first quarter results and moves in the artificial intelligence market.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's JP foreign reserves will be released at 23:50 GMT. The French exports at 06:45 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 03:35 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The French imports at 06:45 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.